Gotta say, living by the river is really nice. Having a workshop by the river, it definitely presents a challenge for keeping a wood shop in order. Today I opened up and got to use the new jet black 8-inch helical head jointer. Taking a closer look at this beautiful piece of machinery. Even if it wasn't rust resistant or frictionless, I'd still buy it for the black. I just think it's dope. Black is a sweet tool color. This is the 8-inch helical head, so that is just gonna produce a quality finish on all my pieces. So yeah, let's give it a try.